Hi, my name is Mark Banks, and I wanted to do a video about a question I get asked all the time. Can you do a denture for one tooth? My answer, definitely. You definitely can get a denture for one tooth. But that doesn't mean it's the best option for you. And what do I mean by that? Now, if you are, let's say in your 20s or 30s, or perhaps even in your 40s and you have lost a front tooth through a sporting injury or whatever may be the case, a denture is going to be a good option. But there is another way, and that other way is a dental implant. Now, a dental implant is going to be a better option for these reasons. Once it goes in, you don't have to worry about it too much. You do have to get your annual checkups and your annual cleans, but you don't have a device that is removable. Unlike a denture needs to be removed every single night to clean. Now, for some people, especially the younger people, you may have a partner, a girlfriend, a wife, and you don't want to be pulling a denture out every day to clean and put it in a glass of water next to the bed. And I get it. So that's why I would recommend, if money isn't a thing, now when I say that, I mean if you can afford $3,000 to $7,000 to get an implant, then it's definitely going to be a good option for you. But if that kind of money is a little bit out of your reach, then look, a denture is definitely the second best option. Now, I've had patients who have had dentures for 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, and they swear by them. So I would definitely recommend to definitely do your research, look online, read articles, speak to some professionals, and see, is the denture going to be something you're happy with, or do you not want to have to deal with a removable device and you want something that's permanent, looks like your natural tooth once did, and it's nearly a set and forget? If that's the case and you can afford that budget that I talked about, then an implant may be better for you. But research, listen to the experts, and then you can make an educated decision from there. So I hope that's cleared that up on, can you get a denture for one tooth? Because the answer is yes. Is it the best option? Well, that's something that you have to decide for yourself. Well, I hope I've answered that. My name is Mark Banks, and until I see you next time, keep smiling.